Bitcoin price skyrockets past $46,000, leaving over $100 million in liquidations. BlackRock Fidelity Bitcoin ETF see largest debut month of any ETF in 30 years. US bans AI-generated voice used in scam robocalls after Biden deepfake. Abu Dhabi Financial Center partners with Solana to expand DLT projects. Kraken secures VASP registration in the Netherlands. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets continue to witness active investor participation led by Spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, the recently launched investment product that allows investors an exposure to this highly volatile asset class without buying the underlying asset physically. Meanwhile, Bitcoin surged above $46,000 levels. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 3.3% at 59,160 points. Interestingly, the crypto exchange Kraken recently announced that it had successfully obtained a license from virtual asset service provider to offer its crypto services in the Netherlands. Investor frenzy saw the recently launched Spot Bitcoin ETFs, excluding Grayscale's GBTC, now hold more Bitcoins than MicroStrategy. As a result, the price of largest crypto by market cap has breached the $45,000 mark for the first time since the day after the spot ETFs began trading on Jan 11 and is set to cross $48,000 in the short term, as per analyst forecast. Well, this surge comes as East Asia welcomes the Chinese New Year, a period considered auspicious in Chinese culture and often associated with increased market activity. According to recent data from LookOnChain, a mysterious crypto whale purchased approximately $53 million worth of Ethereum and wrapped Bitcoin to its total holdings since December 21. Now, while Bitcoin was seen gaining the traction, ETH, the second largest crypto, encountered a stiff resistance as the date for the Denkan upgrade, the much-touted proto-dank sharding, was announced. March 13 is the date when the blockchain will move to the cost-effective Layer 2 network. The global crypto market cap was at $1.76 trillion mark, increasing 3% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 12% to $63 billion. Elsewhere, JP Morgan survey revealed interesting insight into VDA investing with fewer institutional traders planning to trade cryptocurrencies. 61% respondents expect AI and machine learning to shape the future of trading in the next 3 years. In other news, the total value logged in Pendle Finance, the decentralized finance platform, has surpassed $1 billion. Well, the protocol has seen an enormous spike in attention as the market seeks for more ways to create liquid restaking tokens. DeFi project Frax Finance has released its Ethereum Layer 2 network, Fraxtal. Fraxtal operates as an Ethereum-compatible optimistic rollup developed using the OP stack. It will be part of Optimism Superchain ecosystem alongside Coinbase-backed Base. Meanwhile, the US lawmakers have criticized Gary Gensler, chairman SEC, for misrepresenting evidence in a lawsuit against blockchain project DEBT Box. As per crypto analytics platform CoinMarketCap, Solana's market cap soared to $46.19 billion in the past 24 hours, adding approximately as much as $1.96 billion in the markets, increasing 4.43% during this period. US stock futures traded lower after the S&P 500 crossed the historic 5,000 milestone for the first time during intraday trading. Futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 0.1%, S&P 500 futures fell nearly 0.1%, and Nasdaq 100 futures traded near the flat line. Bitcoin was trading at $46,550, up by 4%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 2%, trading at $2,470. On my left, BNB was up by 2% to trade at $321. Solana Sol was up 3.3% and was trading at $105.3. Next on the list, Cardano's 88 token was up by 2% to trade at $0.53. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $36.2 higher by 2%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 1.4% to trade at $0.84. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 1.8% at $0.081. And Shiba Inu was trading up by 1.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.52, up by 1.2%, and Polkadot was up by 2% to trade at $7.1.
Thank you, Vishaka, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. BlackRock and Fidelity spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds have tallied more assets in their first month of trading than any ETF launched in the United States over the last 30 years. Bloomberg intelligence data shows BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust and Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund have each secured more than $3 billion in assets in their first 17 trading days, the only ones to do so out of a list of over 5,500 ETFs. Before the launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs, BlackRock's iShares Climate Conscious and Transition MSCI USA ETF, which launched on June 8, 2023, was the leader with the most assets under management in its debut month at $2.2 billion. According to Bloomberg data, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF sits in 5th place according to figures from 5th Feb. FBTC isn't far behind either, sitting in 8th position. Only 3 broad index funds tracking the S&P 500 and Vanguard's total stock market ETF have surpassed IBIT. Artificial intelligence-generated voice used in unwarranted or automated robocalls are now officially illegal in the United States following a new Federal Communications Commission decision. Today, the Federal Communications Commission announced the unanimous adoption of declaratory ruling that recognizes calls made with AI-generated voices are artificial under the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, the agency said in a Feb 8 statement. Robocall scams are already illegal under the TCPA, a US law governing telemarketing. The latest ruling will also make voice cloning technology used in the scams illegal. The rule will take immediate effect, the FCC said. Meanwhile, the alleged scammer behind the Biden robocalls in mid-January has been traced back to a Texas-based firm named Life Corporation and an individual named Walter Monk. Abu Dhabi Global Market has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Solana Foundation to advance the development of distributed ledger technology. The partners did not announce any specific measures but will explore opportunities for development within ADGM's DLT Foundation regulations. ADGM and Solana will look to expand the International Financial Center's existing projects, according to a statement released by ADGM. As an international financial center, ADGM observes English law and has its own court system. It was founded in 2015 and introduced cryptocurrency regulations in 2018. It has been expanding rapidly. Earlier last year, it saw the creation of the $1 billion Venom Ventures Fund by the local Venom Foundation and ADGM investment management firm Iceberg Capital. Crypto exchange Kraken has secured its 4th license in Europe, making its compliance services now available in the Netherlands. According to an announcement on 8th Feb, the exchange was granted a virtual asset service provider registration from the Dutch Central Bank, giving it the ability to offer exchange and transfer services of virtual assets as well as custody and wallet services. A VASP license is a regulatory framework designed to oversee business that provides services related to digital assets. Under the regulation on markets in crypto assets, entities providing services related to digital assets within the European Union must comply with a range of requirements, including preventing money laundering and terrorist financing and ensuring client information is disclosed and transparent. The exchange has been targeting key markets in Europe. In addition to the Netherlands, Kraken has VASP license in Spain, Italy, and Ireland. It also offers crypto services in Belgium through a licensed subsidiary. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Ethereum. Ethereum staking has reached 25% of the total circulating supply, with Lido leading the market with 31.5% share. Over 30 million Ethereum tokens have been staked, valued at around $73 billion at current Ethereum prices. Nansen data reported that 30 million Ethereum staked, representing 25% of the 120 million Ethereum supply. The unstaking queue has virtually diminished, with 176,000 Ethereum in the pending withdrawal queue. Despite lackluster price action for the underlying asset, Ethereum's staking narrative and momentum have continued to strengthen. ETH was trading at $2,450, up near 1.17% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Frax Finance. Frax Finance has launched its Ethereum Layer 2 network, Fraxtal, which operates as an optimistic rollup using the Optimism stack. It is a part of Optimism's superchain ecosystem and will function as a DeFi DApp platform. Frax is the creator of Frax stablecoin and Frax Ethereum, hosting over $1 billion in value. The project is governed via Frax shares tokens, and holders of Vote Escrowed FXS tokens will receive Fraxtal points. Frax was trading at $1, up 0.10% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Ronin. Binance has listed Pixel as the 46th project on its launchpad, a social Web3 game built on the Ronin network. Users can now stake BNB and FDUSD into separate pools to farm Pixel tokens over 10 days. Binance will activate trading of Ronin Bitcoin, Ronin USDT, Ronin FDUSD, and Ronin TRY pairs, and same for the Pixel tokens, with withdrawals set for February 6th. Ronin, however, has surpassed Solana in daily active users, while Galaxy Fox is emerging as a formidable contender in the GameFi space, poised to dominate the industry with its innovative approach. RON was trading at $2.45, down near 8% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have DogeCoin. DogeCoin, a new meme coin's price, has risen 284% yesterday in the last 24 hours, trading at $0.001. The bullish sentiment was fueled by Elon Musk's fire emoji tweet to DogeCoin co-founder Billy Marcus's tweet. The community speculated about Fire, the new Dogecoin, following parabolic trajectories of other Solana meme coin stars. Bitmart plans to list Doge and Fire. However, today Fire is trading down near 52% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Solana-based meme coin Smog. Solana has seen a 7% price surge in the past 24 hours, indicating recovery from bearish conditions in January. The new Solana meme coin Smog has pumped 800% since its launch on the Jupiter exchange. SOL has risen above the critical $100 level, currently hovering around the $102 mark. This bounce comes 2 days after a network outage caused by technical bugs. The market is now focusing on Solana's fundamentals. Smog was trading at $0.04, up near 133% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in the special bulletin for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such market updates and news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.